Oh, our team's name is Clarity. It's comprised of Pedro, Justin, Gordon, Catherine, and Ariana. Our mentors are Mark Wang, Sarah Belko, and Ravi Srikar. The clinical need of a project revolve around women who struggle tracking their levels of hormones and often have to wait weeks for expensive lab results. This can complicate many things such as family planning, mental health, infertility, and menstrual cycle variability.
These are some of the current solutions on the market right now for at-home fertility testing. There's at-home hormone testing kits where test for different hormones either through finger pricks or through urine. And then there's menstrual cycle apps and fertility tracking, which have the same kind of idea where they tell you how fertile you are based on where you're at in your cycle. The current solutions have a few different problems. First off, the results are usually hard to read. It will give the patient their hormone levels of whatever they're testing, but the patient normally doesn't know what that means for them. The current solutions are also really expensive. With many of the hormone testing kits, they start at $200 and they only go higher from there. With the fertility and menstrual cycle tracking, it's often incorrect or even non-applicable for those who have irregular cycles. And all of these at-home tests are void of a health expert who can actually contextualize the results for the patient and make sure that the testing is being done right.
Our presented solution is an at-home menstrual blood diagnostics device that can give you accurate measurements on your fertility and can be combined with existing technologies used for fluid collection.
Existing technology includes this patent for a menstrual pad, which is designed to collect and contain a small amount of menstrual fluid and deposit it into a chamber for use in a variety of different applications, including hormone testing.
We have chosen to test follicle-stimulating hormone as it relates to the amount of eggs produced in the ovaries, and women in menopause usually have unusually high FSH levels, and the clinical standard for testing FSH levels is on day 3.
In combination with our design, the collected sample can be safely and cleanly deposited into our lateral flow assay without the need for finger pricks, and display a result on a color scale, giving the user insight on their hormone levels, which gives a better understanding of overall fertility.
Our device, Claire 1, is the new standard for at-home menstrual fluid analysis. With its simple menstrual pad attachment, it feels like nothing's there. It serves as a portable compact immunoassay for follicle-stimulating hormone, and with rapid diagnostics, we remove wait time and yield results within minutes. Lastly, the data is clearly presented so that all users can easily interpret it.
Looking into the current fertility testing solutions, we find that there are some areas lacking in convenience, such as being cheaper cost and quick results, that we find that the COVID test does well in. So combining all of those properties, we find that Clarity is able to check off all of the boxes.
Moving forward with our device, we will look to improve the overall accuracy to be able to provide exact amounts of concentration of follicle-stimulating hormone instead of rough estimates. After that, we will develop manufacturing techniques to be able to produce and distribute our product worldwide. After that, we will combine our test with the collection pad shown in previous slides. And finally, we will develop a digital tracking system via an application that can be accessed through any phone to view data at any time.